So today I will be assembling this Suyi Beautify Your Life nail polish organizer. So basically it comes in a box like this. It's just this long box. And it comes with a bag of screws and nuts, which I wasn't expecting. I thought it would just come assembled, but it does not. Assembly is required. And then it comes with individual shelves with holes here. It's kind of hard to see because it's clear, but there's a hole here and there's a hole here. And those line up to the holes on the side panels. I've already started assembling just to save time and just so you can see how easy it is. Kind of easy. You just kind of have to line them up. I definitely recommend you put all the screws in first just to hold the shelf in place, and then assemble the washers by screwing it in with the screwdriver. So you will need a screwdriver for this project. And don't mind that, that's just my baby. Oh, now he hides. Anyways, so this I believe is a 5-tier, maybe 6-tier, I forget. Let's see. I think it's a 5-tier. But yeah, I've done 3 so far. I think I have 2 more to go, and then I'll be back when I'm finished assembling. I'm going to attempt to put this together, put a shelf on here, just to give you an example. So this actually is a 6 shelf. 1, 2, 3, 4, I believe 5, 6. Yeah, I have 2 more shelves left. It is a 6 shelf nail display. And so first things first are to line up the holes here on the side. Let's point this higher. Okay. And my son's watching TV, so I hear noise. That's what that is. And there we go. Got one side here. I'm just going to reach for another screw and put in this other side. Then I'm going to turn this around and line up this other side. Okay, just gonna find the holes by feel because I can't really see them, and do that, and make sure these sides are better. Those screws don't fall off on the other side. And get our other screw here and line this up. Okay, so now we have all 4 sides of the screws in. I'm gonna get the washer, and one by one try to screw this in. Okay. It's a little bit tricky because oh no, the screw fell off on the other side, and that was what I was afraid of. But alright, we'll find that later. Just try to get this one in. It's a little bit at a weird angle for me since I'm trying to film this at the same time. Okay, forget it. Be right back. Of course, when I'm not on camera, it's so smooth, it goes so easy, but once I'm on camera, everything falls apart. Anyways, I screwed in one. I dropped another one on the floor, so hopefully they gave extra. If not, I'll have to look for that later. But let's try and just do one here. Let's see. Oh, it's not getting in the washer. Just stir on it. Oh my god. Alright, I give up. So the screw I dropped on the floor is nowhere to be found. But here is the finished nail polish holder. I am missing a screw on this side. They don't give you extras. But I mean, it's still sturdy. It'll still do. And when it's on a shelf, you won't really notice. But yeah, it's definitely annoying. But yeah, time to put on nail polish. Here is the finished nail polish holder rack with all my gel polishes on here that I could fit. And I must say, this thing is pretty cool. It's really sturdy. It's not flimsy at all. And it took me a while to put together, but I'm sure if you buy this, it'll take you not as long as me to put together. And I've organized my nail polishes, and I will go through them in a different video if you'd like, of how I organized it and how I color code my nail polishes. But it's super cool because it fits bottles of all sizes. Like this is the Born Pretty large square, and instead of fitting this way, it fits sideways, which is perfect because it shows my color samples on the side perfectly. And then it also fits these little tiny regular size Born Pretty bottles, and then it fits these skinnier bottles. It fits my BMC round bottles. So, and then it fits even these ones, my Gelin really skinny odd shaped bottles at an angle, so I can fit more. And yeah, it's really good. I definitely recommend getting this if you want to organize your life and organize your nail polish. Now, instead of having them in boxes or put away in the cupboard, I now can tell exactly what I need and want and have. So yeah, I'll just give you a little 360. Let's move that of the rack, so it is empty in the back, so you can actually put nail polishes or other storage containers behind here if you want, which is great. And this was really inexpensive. I believe this was what, like less than $20, 15, 16, 17 max. I will try to include the link down in the description below, but for some reason YouTube's not letting me copy and paste my links into the description, so I would definitely give it a try. So check it out in the description box. Hopefully there's a link there. Remember to thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time. Bye.